Addressing the New Zealand International Education Conference at Takina Wellington Convention Centre, President Draupadi Murmu has said that education is a medium of social transformation and nation building. Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil said that under the Jal Jeevan mission, the government has provided tap water connections to over 77% rural households across India. The government has announced the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar, one of the highest recognitions in the field of science, technology and innovation in India. The India Meteorological Department has forecast light to moderate rainfall and lightning over east, west, central, northwest and northeast regions of the country during the week. Wrestler Vinesh Phogat announced her retirement today, a day after she was disqualified from the wrestling final at the 2024 Olympics in Paris.